All right. Welcome to this other section of psychology. We want to talk about psychology this time. Now, in psychology, we'll be talking about the biological basis of behavior. Normally, in education, we don't teach people without talking about behavior, because all what behavior is about man's activity. Now, man functions as a whole in adjustment. Now, when we talk about man functioning as a whole in adjustment, we have to understand sometimes what the human body is all about. The human body is made up of organs which interdependently work together, enabling it to meet demands. Now, these demands that this body has to meet are those that are laid down by the biological forces, and those others which are there made up with their environment around. Now, psychology is normally concerned with adjustment of behavior, as said, through which man meets his needs. Now, the biological basis of behavior, right, is normally is concerned with two main areas where man functions as a whole in adjusting to behaviors, and we have where we'll be talking about organs of adjustment. Now, in organs of adjustment, we'll be talking about two main areas or groups of organs that are there that will help this human being to adjust. Now, in the first group is where all these organs are those that function internally to maintain growth and health of a human being or the human body. Now, these organs are called organs of maintenance. They are called organs of maintenance. And the second group is a group of those organs that function in activities. These organs function in activities in the environment as one overcomes obstacles. Now, the main aim of this is to help the body to overcome its obstacles. Now, these are organs that function this. So we have two groups of organs in the human body. Now, this happens because the human body has to satisfy the needs. That's why it has to function in activities. Now, there are some organs which are dealing with that in the human body. And the first one, as we said, they are those that deal with the function internally to help the growth and health. Now, these which function in activities are called organs of adjustment. Now, these are called organs of adjustment. Now, we have group 1. Now, the group number one, where we call functions that function internally, which we call organs of maintenance, are the heart, the blood vessels, we have the lungs, the alimentary canal, and its digestive glands, and the liver. In group 2, where we have functions with the organs which function in activities, we have the muscles, the skeleton, the skeletal system, and certain glands that help these muscles and the skeletal system. These normally help to the body in the finding of food, in the meeting of basic needs like finding of food, mating, right, and waking. Now, all of these organs that we talk about that come up in full at the biological basis of behavior, that now we can see a person performing an activity that we are going to call a behavior. They are all coordinated and regulated by the endocrine glands, which work through the circulatory system and by the central nervous system. Now, the endocrine glands act as if they are regulated system or the coordinating systems, they coordinate the two groups of organisms to bring up all the activities that we see now a human being acting, that we are going to call behavior. And this one now, we can start from this base now to understand when we see a child behaving the way this child behaves or the way this person behaves. Now we can understand what forces, what controls the whole behavior of a human being. That's the biological basis of behavior that we talk about. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you'll be there listening for me in the other episode that we'll be talking about all these biological basis of behavior individually. Thank you very much.